Today, the International Press Center hosted the presentation of a new socio-political magazine, Yashil Kafkas. The magazine's editor-in-chief, Arzu Abdullah, said that the magazine will provide news and analysis from not only in Azerbaijan, but the South Caucasus and other countries as well. He also said the magazine will be available for everyone regardless of political, religious, or national views. Our doors are open to everyone. We want Yashil Kafkas to be a house for everyone, said the editor-in-chief. The first edition of the magazine contains the writings of Per Garherton, the chairman of the Palestine Solidarity Association and former member of the European and Swedish parliaments, Georgi Kachachiladze, the general secretary of Georgia's Green Party, and Nicholas Hilliard, chairman of the environmental organization Corner House in London. Attendees of the event emphasized the importance of the publication of such a magazine because of the widespread presence of environmental problems around the world. The speakers made proposals and comments on the magazine and wished success to the magazine's creative staff.